If you're struggling with creating content, I'm going to show you guys how I create content and how I edit the content and give you guys a couple secrets that I use to make the editing time go way faster. Make sure you guys go ahead and watch this video all the way until the end, because it could be the difference between you guys learning something new about editing that can make your workflow 4 times, 5 times as fast. So actually, I have my iPhone over here. I have a ring light to my left and I have it mounted over here as well. I'm going to show you guys both views, but I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to record on this iPhone, and I'm going to do just a really quick video example. I'm not going to actually make this a TikTok video, but I'm going to do something that's really quick so that you guys understand how the workflow goes and how you can do this nice and quick. So I'm going to go ahead and record one right here, right now. Here we go. Anytime that I'm editing, I always clap loud because I might have a microphone that is external. So you can use external microphones like on your computer or somewhere else, and then sync the audio once you get into your software editor, into your video editor. Even if your audio is connected right up to your phone or on your camera, you can use these claps in editing in order to show big spikes in the audio, which I'll show you in the software program. But there'll be a big spike in the audio so you know exactly where to cut, and it makes editing way faster. So here, I'll show you. These are the 3 accounts that you need if you're trying to grow your marketing with short form video. Then I clap. The first thing you need is Instagram. You can use Instagram Reels to grow your audience with short form video. Clap again. The second thing that you need is TikTok. TikTok's algorithm and going live on TikTok, being able to do all these things on TikTok with short form video is going to help you grow. Clap. And the third thing is YouTube Shorts. What you're able to do is create Reels and TikToks and then redistribute them to Shorts as well so that you guys can grow subscribers on YouTube. Make sure you guys follow for more. So, because I'm going to use the audio from my microphone instead of actually hooking up a microphone to the phone, that last clap that I made makes it easy for me to go into post and sync up the audio so that it makes it really easy where to cut each time. And I'm going to show you guys that here. We're going to dive into my computer right now. Okay, guys, so we're here in the editor, and I have the video that I shot off to the side and the video that I was actually shooting that you're just watching now, which is kind of confusing. I have those two in the software editor, the video editor called iMovie. And what I'm able to do is, you see these spikes here, I'm able to line them up so that they match exactly so that I can use the audio that I want to use. Okay, now that you have your audio all aligned, and if you already used the microphone on the phone, then this is already going to be synced for you. So what you're going to do is you're going to cut at each of these big spikes. So this area is done. We're going to spike. We're going to do right after this spike here. Command B. Command B. We'll delete that. And then use that spike. We'll delete that. We'll go to this spike, make a cut there. We'll go to this spike, make a cut there. And we'll go to this spike and make a cut there. So we can play through it really quick. These are the 3 first. So we know that we screwed up. So we know that I screwed up the intro there. So what I'm able to do is just cut right there and delete everything before it, so we don't need that. And then it goes, these are the 3 accounts that you need if you're trying to grow your marketing with short form video. So we cut there. First thing, we know that we messed up there. The first thing you need is Instagram. You can use Instagram Reels to grow your audience with short form video. So we know that's the end. And that's why those big spikes in audio, they do help, because then you know exactly what you have to get rid of the fluff. So now we know that that's the beginning of the next part. And what we do is we cut right there. We get rid of that fluff. The second thing that you need is TikTok. TikTok's algorithm and going live on TikTok, being able to do all these things on TikTok with short form video is going to help you grow. Okay, we know that's the end. We know that's the end right there. So go ahead, cut right there, cut right there. We know that spike there is fluff. Then we get to the next part. We know there's a gap in audio there. And the third thing is YouTube Shorts. What you're able to do is create reels on YouTube. Make sure you guys follow for more. Boom. Follow for more. Done. Just like that. And we delete that part. And this part was from the end of the video there, so we'll delete that part as well. And now we're narrowed down to the bare bones of the video. And that's how you would use those claps in order to know exactly where you need to cut and make this process a lot more efficient, rather than searching through the whole video and watching through the whole video cut, watch the whole video cut, watch the video cut. You know where the spikes are so you can get rid of the fluff. Okay, so let's export this and then we'll take this into TikTok. Okay guys, now I'm here on TikTok and I'm going to show you guys exactly what you guys should be doing here to post this. Now you can edit it as well. So we're going to go ahead and click upload. We're going to click the video that we just created there. So here's some of the things that you can do. Now you're in the editor and we can go ahead and make this way bigger so that it looks a little more presentable on there. These are the 3 accounts that you need if you're trying to grow your marketing with short form video. Okay, so we can cut that. We can cut that there, for example, and then the first thing you need is Instagram. So we can do the first thing we need is Instagram. And then we can go ahead and click that one and make that one a little further out, like we're zooming out, and then back in. The first thing you need is Instagram. You can use Instagram Reels to grow your audience with short form video. So that's how you would be, for example, that's how you do some of the choppy stuff, the zoom in and zoom out effects that some creators do. That's one way that you can do it in TikTok. You could do that all in post as well. But if you just want to shoot the video real quick and get it onto TikTok and then edit from here, which is actually helping with the algorithm a lot too, you can do that as well. And then you go ahead. This is where you could add a sound. The other cool thing that you can do as well is you can use captions and it'll process the captions for you. And then you can change the font. I like heavy, and you could use, for example, we could hit save, and then you can drag them wherever you'd like there, and you could put them, right down like a third of the way on the bottom, and you could let them run just like this. As you can see, that's how you would, that's how you're able to edit using the editor on TikTok. So thank you guys for joining. Make sure you guys go ahead, subscribe, and make sure you guys check out the next video because that's the video that YouTube wants you to see next. Talk soon.